Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhi and this video is about English. Yes guys, this video is about English because this video is going to happen based on your requested. Yes guys, because I got some comments from your side that I should create English related content, so that's why I'm just making this content. I'm just making this video for you guys because you guys want. So I hope you will like this video. I hope you will support me. So guys, this video is about that how I improved my English. Yes guys, like how I improved my English, how I became a good speaker in this language. Guys, just like I have told you, I'm a student from Hindi medium and I have completed my qualification, like I'm pursuing my qualification from Hindi medium, and there is no good environment in English. But how I became a good speaker in this language, and which kind of things I have done in my past days when I was learning this language, when I was very week, when I started to learning this language. And to be very honest guys, like I was very weak. Yes guys, this is true. Like I was very weak when I started to learning this language, because you know that like it is very hard to learn this language if you have no good environment in English. If you have completed your qualification from Hindi medium, you are a Hindi medium student, it is very hard guys. So yes, I have faced many things, but I never gave up. I keep doing practice, I keep doing improving myself. How can I improve myself? How can I improve myself each and every day? So how I became a good speaker and how I improved my English. So kind of step I took in my past days, like when I started to learning this language. So how I became, let me tell you one thing, like it is very hard to explain each and everything in this video. It is very hard guys. If you want, then I will create many more video related to English if you want. So please let me comment in the box, please. So in the first place, I was learning this language and I was very weak. I joined English Institute and I used to attend my English classes, and I was very weak. I was insulted in front of the class. Yes guys, I was insulted, but I never gave up. The first step which I took, that was a practice. Yes guys, like practice is very important if you want to learn this language. Practice makes you perfect guys. Like I'm just telling you, this is my personal experience. I'm not watching to any successful YouTuber who are teaching in English. I'm not watching any kind of successful YouTuber. This is my personal experience guys. That's why I'm just going to tell you, like practice is very important. And in the previous days when I was learning this language, I was doing practice. Yes, I used to do lots of practice. Like I was not able to speak one word of English. So where I used to write my daily routine on my WhatsApp group, where I created, and I used to do. I was not good in English. I was not good in grammar. I was making too much mistake. I used to make too much mistake while speaking, but. I used to try to every day. And guys, apart from that, I used to put a topic. Yes, I used to put topic, and these topic are related to about Indian culture, about daily routine, about festivals, and about like cooking, like how to make tea, and what is the procedure for making tea, how to make chapatis, what is the procedure. So these kind of things I used to do, and every day I used to practice. Sometime I used to feel demotivated. Sometime I used to demotivate, but it's okay guys. Like if you want to do now, then you can do, you can achieve. Every day you can create some small goals, and you can go with that. If you have no good environment in English, if you are belong to small town and there is no good environment, so which is okay guys, you can create your environment, you can create your English environment where you can learn where you can learn this language, where you can improve yourself, where you can, you know, make small goal each and every day, and you can achieve that small goal in every day. And one thing which I'm just going to suggest you guys, like, better always try to make yourself better, and always try to appreciate yourself, because you are the perfect one and you can do everything in your life, you can whatever you want. And if somebody making you feel demotivated, so don't listen them, and listen to your heart, and focus on your goal guys. And always I think I'm just giving you this suggestion, like guys, always in this, you know, struggling life, always proud yourself, always love yourself, always keep doing well, always appreciate yourself, whatever you are doing, whatever small step you have completed, you are doing, you are improving, so always appreciate yourself, don't ignore yourself. You are the hero in your life and you are doing great, and always appreciate your self, just like you are best in your life, you are doing great, and you will do, you will give, you will achieve everything. So these kind of things I used to follow, and if you like this video, so please comment me, let me in the comment box, I would love to reply. And I feel very happy when you will comment me. You want that I should create English related content, so please, I'm just begging you all guys, like, if you comment me now, then I will feel motivated and I will create English content. So I will come back with new video. I hope you will like my channel and my video. So love you all, take care, and bye guys.